everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I pack for my trip to Italy that I'm going to tomorrow. So by the time that you're watching this, I'll be on the way. I'm really excited because I'd have some really cool tips and tricks for y'all, and I'm going to list them below. So keep watching if you want to see how I go from this to this. So this is the inside of my suitcase. It has obviously this part in here, and then this sits down to have another little compartment back here. Okay, so the secret to all my packing is these cubes by Sharper Image, and they come in a 3-pack. So this is the biggest one, it's like the large. Then it has a medium sized, and then there's actually a smaller one as well, but I usually only use the 2 biggest ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my clothes and I'm gonna roll them like this, and that'll allow them to fit better. Okay, so I've rolled all these in here so that they fit in this better, and then I'll just zip that up. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take the big one and put it in first. It fits perfectly in there. And then I'll take the second one. It fits pretty snugly in there as well. So then I have some more dresses that I'm gonna put like right here. And I'm gonna do the rest of my clothes in this section, and then in this section I'm gonna do more of like toiletries and that kind of thing. Okay, so I have my 2 packing cubes and then the rest of my dresses right here. In this section right here, I'm about to put my shoes and then my toiletries and camera and other stuff that I need. I'm gonna put all my jewelry in this little bag, and then I'm gonna put all my little like cords and chargers in this bag to keep them organized and keep it on my carry-on. I don't know if this is just like crazy of me, but I love everything being like the same color. So obviously this is black and clear, like the rest of my stuff is black and clear. So this is just all my makeup. I like being able to have a clear bag because I can see everything that's in it, and if I need to like go in and grab one thing, I can just look around my makeup bag and find what I need. And this is what I keep like all my toiletries and stuff in. It pretty much fits everything, and it goes with my color scheme of the all black. So I'm just gonna put this in at the top of my suitcase. Lastly, I'm gonna put my big old Polaroid in here and some extra film to keep in there as well. And then I have a pillowcase that I bring to keep like laundry in after I'm done with the trip. And then I'm a huge germaphobe, so I put this over all of my pillows that I use, but I'm just gonna put that over the camera to make sure it's all protected. And then this has my big nice camera and stuff in it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to show y'all all the videos and pictures and fun things that we do in Italy. So I'm gonna be doing a vlog of that y'all will see, but I hope y'all have a great week, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye.